Welcome to this tutorial on Azure Advisor, your personalized cloud consultant from Microsoft Azure. In this session, we're going to explore how Azure Advisor helps you optimize your cloud environment by focusing on cost efficiency, security, reliability, performance, and operational excellence. You'll learn not only what Azure Advisor is, but also how to use its insights to reduce unnecessary expenses, strengthen your security posture, improve resiliency, and adopt best practices across your resources. By the end of this tutorial, you have a clear understanding of how to leverage Azure Advisor's recommendations to maximize your cloud investment and keep your environment running smoothly. So, let's dive in and get started with Azure Advisor. Now, let's understand what is Azure Advisor. Azure Advisor is like having a personal cloud consultant inside your Azure portal. Instead of leaving you to guess how to improve your cloud setup, it analyzes your existing environment and provides actionable recommendations to optimize your resources. It covers 5 important areas. Cost, helping you identify opportunities to reduce spending, such as resizing or shutting down underutilized resources. Security, highlighting best practices and potential vulnerabilities to strengthen your environment. Reliability, ensuring your services are resilient and can handle unexpected failures. Performance, suggesting improvements to make your workloads faster and more responsive. Operational excellence, guiding you on best practices to improve manageability and efficiency. The best part is, Azure Advisor is integrated directly into the Azure portal. You don't need to purchase or install anything extra. It's available at no additional cost. This means whether you are managing a small setup or a large enterprise deployment, you always have expert guidance available, helping you fine-tune your cloud environment and align it with Microsoft's best practices. Azure Advisor works by focusing on 5 core pillars that shape your cloud journey. The first pillar is cost optimization. Advisor helps you identify idle or underutilized resources, suggests right-sizing workloads, and highlights ways to significantly reduce your cloud spend. It ensures you're only paying for what you truly need. The second pillar is security. Here, Advisor strengthens your defenses by guiding you on identity and access control, encryption, and resource protection. The goal is to keep your environment secure without slowing down workflows. The third pillar is reliability. Azure Advisor recommends ways to improve fault tolerance, whether it's through virtual machine protection, leveraging zonal resiliency, or ensuring you have proper backup strategies in place for continuous operations. The fourth pillar is performance. This is all about responsiveness. Advisor helps enhance application performance through database tuning, intelligent scaling, and optimized traffic management strategies. And finally, the fifth pillar is operational excellence. This pillar focuses on streamlining deployment processes, improving monitoring practices, and ensuring you're following best practices for efficient resource management. Together, these 5 pillars, cost optimization, security, reliability, performance, and operational excellence, make Azure Advisor a powerful tool to fine-tune and strengthen your cloud environment. In May 2025, Azure Advisor introduced an exciting new capability, Zonal Resiliency recommendations. This feature provides fresh guidance for deploying critical resources such as AX clusters, VPN gateways, and Azure Firewall across availability zones. By leveraging Azure's robust multi-zone infrastructure, this enhancement greatly improves fault tolerance and uptime. In other words, if one zone experiences an outage, your workloads can continue running in another zone, helping to minimize downtime and disruption. What makes this even more valuable is its support for mission-critical services like PostgreSQL Flexible Server and Azure Load Balancers. These services benefit directly from higher resiliency, ensuring that your essential workloads remain highly available. With Zonal Resiliency recommendations, Azure Advisor takes reliability to the next level, giving you smarter, more resilient deployment strategies for today's demanding cloud environments. Now let's take a look at the Advisor Score, which serves as your optimization dashboard. The Advisor Score provides a single, easy-to-understand metric that reflects your adherence to Azure best practices across all 5 pillars. It doesn't just show a snapshot. It tracks progress over time with daily, weekly, and monthly trends. This helps you clearly see where you're improving and where attention is needed. Here's how the scores are represented. The overall score, in this example shown as 85%, represents your current alignment with best practices across all 5 pillars combined. The cost efficiency score, at 92%, measures how effectively you are minimizing unnecessary cloud expenditure. The security posture score, at 78%, indicates the overall strength of your security controls, identity protection, and compliance measures. And the reliability index, here at 88%, highlights how robust and resilient your critical services are, ensuring availability during failures or disruptions. By aggregating these values, the Advisor Score not only gives you a benchmark of your environment today, but also helps prioritize recommendations by their impact and ease of implementation, maximizing your return on investment in the cloud. Azure Advisor is not just about recommendations. It's also about saving you both time and money by streamlining how you manage your cloud environment. The first way it does this is through quick remediation. With the Advisor Quick Fix feature, you can address multiple resource recommendations at once with just a few clicks. This drastically reduces the amount of manual effort required and accelerates optimization across your environment. Next, Azure Advisor provides proactive alerts. You'll receive timely notifications about new recommendations and upcoming service retirements. This helps you stay ahead of potential issues and avoid last-minute disruptions. Finally, there's collaborative governance. Azure Advisor allows you to easily share prioritized recommendations with your team. This fosters collaboration and ensures that everyone is aligned on optimization goals, making governance more effective and transparent. Together, these features, quick remediation, proactive alerts, and collaborative governance, make Azure Advisor a powerful tool that saves you valuable time, reduces costs, and improves teamwork in the cloud. Azure Advisor doesn't just provide recommendations. It delivers real-world impact in the form of cost savings and stronger security. Let's start with cost savings. By right-sizing your virtual machines and removing idle or underutilized resources, organizations can significantly cut cloud expenses, often reducing costs by 30% or more. These are direct savings that free up budget for other strategic initiatives. Next is data durability. By enabling zone-redundant storage or ZRS disks, Azure Advisor helps you achieve higher durability and resilience without adding unnecessary complexity to your setup. This ensures that your critical data remains protected even in the face of failures. And finally, enhanced security. Proactively implementing Azure Advisor's security recommendations helps prevent costly breaches. By enforcing best practices and mitigating vulnerabilities, you build a more secure, compliant, and trustworthy cloud environment. Together, these improvements, cost reduction, durability, and enhanced security show the tangible value Azure Advisor brings to every organization adopting the cloud. Now that we've seen the benefits, let's talk about how to get started with Azure Advisor. You can access Azure Advisor directly from your Azure portal dashboard. From there, you'll see personalized recommendations tailored specifically to your environment. These insights are designed to help you optimize across cost, security, performance, reliability, and operational excellence. Once inside, you can explore your Advisor score and dive deeper into specific suggestions within each of the 5 pillars. This gives you a clear, prioritized view of where improvements will have the biggest impact. And if you want to build deeper expertise, Microsoft Learn provides a range of free Azure Advisor training resources. These resources will help you master optimization strategies and maximize the return on your cloud investment. Getting started is simple, and the value you gain grows as your Azure environment evolves. To get the most value from Azure Advisor, it's important to follow a few pro tips that maximize its benefits. The first is regular review. Make it a habit to consistently review and act on high-impact recommendations. This ensures your Azure environment stays optimized over time and adapts to changing workloads. Next is automated compliance. By combining Azure Advisor insights with Azure Policy, you can enforce standards across your environment. This not only keeps your resources aligned with best practices, but also helps achieve automated compliance across multiple subscriptions, saving both time and effort. And finally, DevOps integration. Azure Advisor provides a REST API and CLI tools that allow you to integrate recommendations directly into your existing DevOps workflows. This means optimization can become a seamless part of your deployment pipeline, ensuring continuous improvement without extra manual steps. By applying these steps, regular review, automated compliance, and DevOps integration, you'll unlock the full potential of Azure Advisor and make optimization an ongoing process, not a one-time task. Now is the time to take full control of your Azure environment. With Azure Advisor, you can optimize costs, strengthen your security posture, and enhance the reliability of your workloads, all through expert, actionable guidance. This isn't just about making small improvements. It's about starting your journey toward a well-architected cloud environment, one that is cost-effective, secure, resilient, and aligned with best practices. By leveraging intelligent recommendations, you gain both confidence and clarity in how you manage your resources. So don't wait. Empower your organization to achieve more with Azure Advisor and begin optimizing your cloud investment today. That brings us to the end of this session on Azure Advisor. We've explored how it helps you optimize costs, strengthen security, improve reliability, and drive operational excellence, all while giving you clear, actionable insights for your cloud environment. I hope this walkthrough gave you valuable knowledge to make the most of your Azure investment. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Azure-focused content.